Monday Moment with Mary Petruzzi.
Hey everyone, this is Mary Petruzzi with Team Petruzzi at RE/MAX at the Crossing. Today I am joined by Julie Catton with the ATA National Title Group, and we're going to discuss all the changes that have happened over the last few years that concern wire fraud and what the title companies are doing today to protect you as the consumer.
Well, things have changed, Mary. There are some very clever people out there that know how to intercept emails and make it look like yours. That's pretty scary. And they just might hijack that email that is an innocent email to your buyer or consumer and change it into something else that's not so innocent. And again, it looks like it came from you. So what we are doing as a title company is taking you out of the equation. So we send encrypted emails and we communicate by phone with your consumer. We have them call us at our office number that you know and that we know, and that can't be changed or amended by those clever people.
Right. Okay.
So we also have a website where we send your consumer to obtain our specific closing wiring instructions.
Okay, so gone are the days where you just emailed me the sheet of wiring instructions and I just sent it off to my buyer or my seller. Correct. So now they have to take that extra step.
And it has to be more personal contact with somebody that you know, that is secure, at our office, at our phone number, and also when the consumer gets to the bank to make that wire transfer, we have the bank contact us as well. And many of the banks know the players.
Okay.
And so it makes it a little more secure.
Right.
And again, we don't ever change our wire instructions. So if the consumer gets an email, again, looks like it's from you, or maybe even it looks like from us.
Right.
If we've changed the wire instructions, call us.
Okay.
Don't trust it.
Okay. Well, that's great to know. Thank you, Julie, for letting us talk about this today, because you can never be too careful these days.
Never be too careful.
Right. All right. Thank you.